A major shift in the global film industry is making waves today. US President Donald Trump has announced the imposition of 100% tariff on all movies made outside the United States and released in the country. And as expected, this move is stirring up strong reactions, especially from filmmakers in India. Trump's announcement came on Monday when he shared his thoughts on social media. He called the movie industry in America very fast death and said that other countries were luring filmmakers and studios away from the US with attractive incentives. The movie industry in America is dying a very fast death. Other countries are offering all sorts of incentives to draw our filmmakers and studios away from the United States. Hollywood and many other areas within the USA are being devastated. This is a concerted effort by other nations and, therefore, a national security threat. To combat this, he declared, "I am authorizing the Department of Commerce and the United States Trade Representative to immediately begin the process of instituting a 100% tariff on any and all movies coming into our country that are produced in foreign lands. We want movies made in America, again." Indian filmmaker Vivek Agnihotri, who is known for his movie The Kashmir Files, has voiced serious concerns about this move. He expressed how it could threaten India's already struggling film industry. Trump's 100% tariff on movies is a disastrous move. If this absurdity prevails, India's struggling film industry will collapse entirely, with no one to save it. Agnihotri also urged Indian film leaders to unite against this threat, saying they should focus on this issue rather than chasing paparazzi and self-glorification. Indian film leaders must wake up, unite, and fight this threat instead of chasing paparazzi and self-glorification. Meanwhile, filmmaker Shekhar Kapoor, the mind behind Mr. India, has a different perspective on Trump's move. He pointed out that a significant portion of Hollywood's box office earnings comes from outside the United States, and a large part of film budgets are spent internationally. Over 75% of box office of Hollywood films come from outside the US, and a significant part of the budget of those films are spent outside the US. He argued that Trump's tariff could end up driving Hollywood to look beyond US borders for production, which would go against his original intention. President Trump's imposition of 100% tariff on all films imported into the US may encourage Hollywood to move outside the US, quite the opposite of what he intended. So, what do you think? Is this 100% tariff a smart move to protect American cinema, or will it backfire and hurt the industry even more? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on this developing story. Stay tuned for more.